Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is KaRita, and today y'all, I got something a little bit different for y'all. So today we're gonna be cleaning up this kitchen and also my living room. But before we even get into cleaning, y'all, here is a little disclaimer. Please excuse my outfit and the way that I am looking in this video. I'm just gonna let y'all know, when your girl cleans up, she really cleans up. So I don't have time to be looking cute. And also later on in the video, y'all gonna see why I dress like this and I be looking like this while I'm cleaning up. But anyway, to get started, I go ahead and put my music in my ear, because you gotta clean with music, y'all. And then I go ahead and empty my dishwasher, because I'm gonna need it for my new dishes that I'm about to wash. So yeah. Alright, so after I go ahead and put all those dishes away, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning these dishes, y'all. And yes, I know y'all see that big old thing of Clorox right there. Yes, y'all, I do put Clorox in my dishwater. That's the way I was raised. That's the way I was taught. I don't feel like your dishes are clean if they don't have bleach, but you know, to each their own. I only put a little bit in there, but I do a little Clorox. But I'm going to go ahead and run my dishwater and get ready to wash these dishes. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting my dishwater ready, and as you can see, I put a splash of bleach in there, and Clorox, whatever you want to call it. Not much, but I always put a little bit in there, because again, your dishes ain't clean without them, in my opinion. But y'all, these dishes are from the night before. Me and hubby had a mini seafood bowl. That's why y'all see that big old silver bowl and that big old pot back there. It wasn't nothing big, it's just I always make it in that. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up these dishes, and then I also sit them in the dishwasher to dry. I use my dishwasher as a drying rack, y'all. So that's what y'all gonna see me doing in here once I rinse them. But yeah. So after washing my dishes, y'all, I go ahead and wipe down any appliances that I have out that are used. This is my Instapot. I use this, I don't even remember when I used this, but I used it and it had to be wiped down. So I did that. Then I go ahead and dry off all of the dishes that I have out, which are usually the big dishes because they don't fit in the dishwasher. So I go ahead and dry those and put them where they need to be. so now guys, it's time to move on to the countertops. And as y'all can see, I've already started removing everything that doesn't belong on the counter off. So I'll go ahead and put up trash, put up like any food that need products that need to put up. I put up everything. Then I go ahead and spray down the countertops. And what y'all seeing me spray is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and that is in the scent peony. And y'all, it smells so good. So I got that in a pack of 3 off Amazon, of course, and it was only like $12 for a pack of 3 of those. So you know, y'all go ahead and go to Amazon and get y'all some. Y'all, so y'all just see me throw that white box away. That was a box of donuts my husband thought he was gonna keep, but no, not around these parts. So there go hubby. But anyway, y'all, so now I'm going ahead and moving on and wiping these counters down. And when I say wipe them down, I mean really wipe them down. Like, I'm about to move everything and wipe these. So yeah. Y'all, I forgot to say that when I'm wiping down these counters, I sweep everything to the floor because, of course, at the end, I'm going to end up sweeping. So if y'all see me knocking all this stuff to the floor and y'all wondering like, girl, what is you doing? That's what I'm doing, y'all. I'm going to sweep. But as y'all can see here, your girl don't only wipe the counters. We getting them walls too. Yes, sometimes your food splashed up there. You know, accidents happen, but you got to clean it up. So if you don't clean your wall and you have splash on there, you're nasty. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the stove, you know. Gotta clean those. Usually, y'all, I'll take my knobs off and wipe them, but I didn't really feel like I needed to. And right there, as y'all see, I'm wiping that middle one. That's when I turned the dang stove on, and I have a cast iron skillet in there, so she got to cooking a little bit, but you know, it was okay. I didn't burn down the house or anything. So right here, y'all, I had to put a little extra water and cleaner there because for some reason it was like something stuck on my dang cabinet and I didn't know what it was. I mean, counter, but I didn't know what it was. But yeah, so moving right along, right here, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my cake plate. Y'all, the cake plate wasn't dirty, it was just dusty. So usually when my stuff get dusty, which is about a couple of weeks, I go ahead and just like do a whole wash. And then these little things I sit on my stove on top of the aisles because I hate the way the aisles look. And the drip pans are kind of ugly, so I use these. And yes, y'all, I know y'all seen that it's still brown under there. It's not dirt, it's actually burnt. Hubby doesn't always, you know, check to make sure he's turning on the right aisle before he turns it on. And sometimes he burns my little covers, but that's what y'all see right here. So after I clean my countertops, y'all, I'll move right into my microwave. This is one thing that I pretty much try to clean daily or at least every other day because I just think, you know, a nasty microwave is disgusting. And, you know, you're heating up your food and you have a nasty microwave and food, nasty stuff is falling in it. So, yeah, y'all get it. That's why I clean my microwave daily. So, your girl gets that clean. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean the inside. And then I also wipe down the outside because why not? I mean, when you're cooking, food gets up there. And yeah, and by the way, I have white appliances as y'all can see, so those pretty much get wiped down every day because I don't like the look of that. So after I clean my microwave, I know y'all see it, I'm cleaning my cabinets. Yes, y'all heard me right. I'm cleaning my cabinets. Now, I will be honest with y'all, this is not a daily or every time I clean the kitchen, I don't do this. This is like once a month. And so this was the time for me to go ahead and clean them because, you know, as you're cooking or doing whatever, using your cabinets, they tend to get dirty and fingerprints and stuff on them. So that's what y'all see me do there. Now moving right along, it's time to clean the table. So when I clean my table, y'all, I go in with the multi-cleaner first, and then I'll go in with this glass cleaner. I know y'all see this glass cleaner. Literally everybody uses it. So I go in and clean it with that as well. And then I also go back. I didn't do it on camera, but I went back to my microwave, y'all, and I sprayed that on my microwave and shined it so it's nice and shiny and not fingerprinty or smudgy. So yeah, that's how I clean my table. Alright, y'all, so the last thing I do in the kitchen is sweep and mop the floor. So y'all see me sweeping here, and then y'all about to see me mop in just a second. So when I mop, I use the Swiffer wet jet thing. And y'all gonna see me do it in a minute, but I don't use the throwaway pads. I use a reusable pad that I got off of Amazon. Y'all, I got this because I got tired of spending all that money on them dang things to throw away. And yeah, so I ended up buying this off Amazon, and it's been a lifesaver. It's saving me some, you know, some coins. Yeah, so I wash this after every use. So literally when I finish that, I throw it in the wash machine. I have a couple of them, so yeah. Now, y'all, in the beginning of the video, y'all remember me saying, are y'all gonna see why I wear the type of clothes I wear to clean up? If you look at my back, you will see that it's very sweaty. Y'all, I sweat a lot. I don't know why, but I do. So this is why I wear what I wear. I told y'all, when I clean, I clean. So your girl be working and my back is really wet, but it's okay. I'm getting it done. So now, y'all, now that I'm done, pretty much the last thing I'm going to do is get my diffuser together. Y'all can get these diffusers from Walmart. That's where that one comes from. But I don't use essential oils in mine. I use the wallflower plug-in thing that you get from Bath and Body Works. As y'all can see, I have the 1,000 Wishes one. And I just pour a little bit in. And I know you have some people on here that's like, oh, girl, but that's chemicals. Girl, it's chemicals if you plug it in the wall, too. But I go ahead and pour a little, like maybe 2 or 3 drops in there and set that off, y'all. And it smells so freaking good. Y'all should try it. It have your house smelling delicious. Oh yeah, y'all. And I also put some plug-ins in. So y'all, now that the kitchen is clean, it's time to move on to this living room. Yes, y'all, that is a Christmas tree you see up. This was like around January 25th. Yeah, I have no explanation for it. It's just it is what it is. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my living room. I literally, you know, clean everything, move everything out the way, and get it together. So here you go. So here I'm fluffing out my pillows, y'all. Y'all don't judge my couch. I am looking for a new one right now. This one is old and it's time to upgrade her. So actually a lot of this, most of this furniture in this living room will be switched out soon, sometime this year. So anyway, yeah, I had to fluff my pillows. And y'all, what y'all see me spraying, this stuff I'm spraying right now is homemade Febreze. Yes, y'all, you heard me, homemade Febreze. I literally got some of the Downy Unstoppable scent boosters. You know, any scent, it doesn't matter. And I put them in that bottle with water, shake it up, and you got your homemade Febreze, girl. So now we're going to move on to cleaning off my desk. Y'all, yes, y'all, if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. It's the my second attempt at NCLEX. Yes, y'all, I failed, unfortunately. So this is me cleaning up my mess because your girl was studying. So, oh, and don't mind that little cubby hole over there. We going to get that together one day. It's just not today. it's funny. I had to turn on my TV and make sure I didn't break it because I kept hearing some kind of cracking sound. And I legit thought I was wiping my TV too hard and broke it. But I didn't. So y'all, the next thing I'm going to do is take down this Christmas tree. I know, I was so sad taking it down, but Christmas is over. And yeah, your girl has to put up this Christmas tree. Y'all, this dang Christmas tree took me a little minute to take down. I don't know why. It usually doesn't, but yeah, it did this time. I guess because I'm always trying to be careful with it because it has the lights on it. And I'm not trying to bust a bug. Y'all know how annoying it can be to replace that dang bulb when it breaks, but yeah, so I'm just taking my Christmas tree down. And if y'all are wondering, this year my Christmas colors was regular Christmas colors. I did red and silver and white. Last year and previous years I had pink and rose gold and silver. So yeah, I changed it up this year. Y'all, there go hubby. He's but ran right on up out of here when he saw that camera. But yeah, y'all, he was actually cleaning the bedroom and the bathroom. So that's why y'all haven't seen him in here. Or that's why y'all don't see him helping me. He's actually cleaning the other 2 rooms. We live in a 1-bedroom apartment. So I take 2 rooms. He takes 2 rooms. So that's what y'all see there. But yeah, y'all, I finally finished my Christmas tree. It's finally put away. Now it's time to vacuum because we're almost coming to the end. And y'all, let me just say, I don't know what the heck I had in that tree. I don't even remember having glitter. But for some reason, like on the other side, y'all gonna see me vacuuming. It took me a while to vacuum up all that little residue stuff from that Christmas tree. I don't know what the hell I had in that Christmas tree. But yeah, it took me a minute to get that stuff up. Okay, y'all, so we've made it to the ending of this video. Here's a few clips of the finishing touches, all nice and clean. Yeah, I don't know if you know, but I can't function in a dirty house, so this just looks beautiful to me. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, y'all, so y'all can be notified of when I upload videos. All right, y'all, until the next video, bye.